So I had made a video saying that my fire alarm system had to come off the walls probably not too long ago, and I just wanted to make this video saying where all that ended up going to. So here they all are right there. Classics are in this box and this box. The Advance is in this one. The Genesis is right there. SpectrAlert, Speaker Strobes, Edwards Pole Station, Simplex T-Bar Pole Station, BG12L, Firelight Pole Station, Wheelock, Speaker Strobe, Light Alarm, and BNG1 Notifier. So that's where all those went off to. Even the keys right here.